It's still thinking? "16 weights. This is insane. What you just saw was the newly released model from Alibaba called QwQ. It is a reasoning model that is trained to work like DeepSeek R1 and OpenAI O1 and O3 models. According to the benchmark results, it seems to be on par with DeepSeek R1 in terms of coding, mathematical reasoning, and probably language reasoning as well. These benchmark results are very impressive because QwQ from Alibaba is actually 20 times smaller than DeepSeek R1. That helps a lot in making it possible for me to run these models on my own GPUs. After trying it out on my own GPUs, I really wonder why it keeps repeating itself and saying wait, wait, and wait so many times. The reason is actually because researchers use a technique called budget forcing to make LLM think more and more.
Okay, so this is the data. Test time scaling, the simplest method possible, which kind of made all of us very surprised and excited, where we focus on budget forcing, where we have a question like this: how many R's are in Raspberry? We let the model generate a response. But then if it didn't hit the allocated token budget, we added a token called weight, and then let the model generate and basically force the model generate more in order to respond to that, right? We are kind of using this weight token. We are hinting the model that we are not sure if your answer is correct, okay?
It's a pretty cool concept to be able to force the model to think harder when you need better answers for harder questions. But when you're actually using the model in the real world context, not every single question of yours might be the hardest ones. So there should be ways to adjust this, right? Here's a very cool Reddit post that I found. It seems like, according to a research paper, you can actually give QwQ different system prompts. This is for low thinking effort, medium thinking effort, and high thinking effort. And then you can actually make the model think less or think more. With different system prompts, you actually get different amount of output tokens as well. Like here, for low, you get 1500 tokens. Medium, you get 24 to 2500 tokens. And for high, you get 36 to 3700 tokens. To actually prove to you that it works by setting a different system prompts, I'm gonna show you how it's done. Like over here, you basically put in this system prompt that says you have extremely limited time to think and respond, right? This is the one for the low effort, and then we have another one for the high effort. Like you have unlimited time to think and respond to the user's questions. So that's the difference in the system prompts. Let's test the different system prompts on the same math question and see how it goes. Okay, so in order to see whether the answers provided by each version of QwQ is correct or not, I have made the actual calculation by hand using Excel, and we get 126,824 as the final loan value for loan A, and 143,474 as the final value for loan B, right? And for this question, if we look at the QwQ low effort answer, it got the loan A correct. It got the loan B a bit off, but it's still able to answer that loan B is higher value than loan A. But if we spend more time doing the high effort, we actually get the correct answer for every single one of the loans, right? This is a difference between 2 minutes of thinking and 6 minutes of thinking. So that's something to think about, like how precise do we need the calculation or the programming code to be, right? So that can be our judgment as a user. Okay, so now that we learned how competitive QwQ is when comparing to DeepSeek R1, which is very popular model, we know how researchers force the model to think so much, and also we know how to use system prompts to actually control how much the model thinks. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of content, and please feel free to leave a comment down below so I can know that what kind of content you guys want to see in the next video. That's all, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.